So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. If you are new, hi, my name is Stephanie, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much guys for coming back and hanging out. So as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have the Ipsy spoilers for December 2023. We have the BoxyCharm by Ipsy and we also have the glam bag. I am sent this over in PR. So if you want to see what's inside these two subscriptions, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes, it's like super early. And I'm excited because as I'm leaving to go to the doctor's today, running late as usual, my mailman is like flagging me down when I was pulling out of my street. He's like, I have a package for you. And I was like, really? I know my mailman. He is a personal friend of mine. Anyway, he's like, do you want it? I was like, yeah, give it here. So I looked at it. I was like, oh, okay. And then I go to my doctor's and I'm like, well, let's film it. I was going to film the last of the two advent calendars. There may be one more. I don't know. But yeah, we have the December 2023 spoilers. Now, guys, if I can get this up right away, that's a good thing because then you'll be able to see what's in it. Maybe you didn't sign up for Ipsy. Maybe you want to because you see what's these things, right? I don't know. Anyway, let's go ahead and go over them. I'm excited because this is what we're supposed to do. This is what these products are to do, is to help you. What do we do over here? Well, we go over beauty, but we do it in a very real life way because I am a very real life girl. I am not perfect. I don't ever claim to be perfect. I cover beauty from A to Z and everything in between. At least I try anyway. What you see is what you get. Will I make mistakes? Probably. Will I keep them in the video? Probably. At the very least, in the bloopers, you will see them. I mean, you know, because listen, at the end of the day, that's what I am, a real life girl. So if you can get into, you know, eyeshadow palettes, indie brands, Main Street Market brands, all things to do with beauty, then please hit that subscribe button. Come on board. We are climbing to 1,500, guys. I'm excited. But if you do like beauty and someone who hopes at the end of this video anyway, you will feel better than when you started, or at the least not any worse, then please give the video a thumbs up. That's always helping the channel to get out there in the algorithm. Also, put your bell on because we got some good things coming. I'm so excited, guys. You have no idea. I think I did good. Anyway, you guys will be the judge of that. All right, so let's go ahead and hop into this. If you don't know, this is the BoxyCharm by Ipsy. This is the glam bag. The BoxyCharm by Ipsy, I want to say is like $31 and change, almost $32. I will put the price here. You do get 5 full-size items in this subscription. Let me just show you before I show myself, okay? Now, when you're done with this video, please, by all means, go over and check out the other creators because I know that they do like different variations and stuff, so we don't always get all the same products is what I'm trying to say. And one more thing, the nails, they didn't survive. I have one hand without them and only 3 left on this hand. They lasted about a week. We are announcing the Trendmood winner in this video somewhere. Stay tuned for that. I do actually purchase this on my own. This is the BoxyCharm by Ipsy. And what is the theme, you may ask? I do have that. That is here. You're the main attraction. That looks like to be the theme right there. This is the REM Beauty Midnight Shadows eyeshadow palette. Baby doll. Oh, there's the packaging. Oh, it's the same thing on each side. So that's kind of cool. It's reverse imaging. Oh, okay, and there are the shadows. Okay, I get it. Okay, so, oh, jeez. I almost dropped it. There are the shadows. It looks like a cream and 3 mattes and 2 shimmers. This one here is a cream, and then the rest are mattes and shimmers. So there's what that looks like. Very neutral eyeshadow palette. It's like I say, if you have neutral eyeshadow palettes, depending on the tones and stuff, you definitely incorporate them if you have like special shadows. If you hear anything scratching or anything, that's Carly. She's going to town, you know, on those advent calendar boxes. So then we have this. Now, I don't think... Oh, it says the Creator Incubator. That's us. That's what I do. Okay, I'm very excited. I know, it's the littlest things, right? But these are pink fuzzy socks, guys. I love fuzzy socks. I do. That is a little, like, secret about me. Oh, I want to feel them. That sounded so wrong. Okay, so... Anyway. I want to see how fuzzy they are. That's a better way of putting that. Oh, my goodness. All right. Oh, yes. They're very soft. Oh, my gosh. That is so cute. And they say it on both sides. So there you go. Okay, that's awesome. Oh, that's like a little special thing. And then this. Okay, guys. This is so stinking cute. I will use this. I will, because I'm going to tell you why. First of all, it has a tag on here. It says recycled water bottles. Oh, it's for a water bottle. I always have a water bottle around me, and I'm always like, where do I put it? Where do I put it? I leave it in the car, I come out, well, in the summertime I did, and it would be melted, right? Because I always stick them in the freezer. There's ice. Hear that? There's ice in there. I buy them, you know, cases of 40 at a time in the bottles like this, stick them in the refrigerator. That is how your girl accidentally drank that bleach. But anyway, I was thinking more along the lines of a cross-body bag, but okay. Because I'm like, oh wow, I can put my phone in there. That's the first thing I was thinking. Yes, my phone can go in there. My little carry, like I have a thing you put your card in, card holder. Let's see if it fits. Okay, I'm loving it. I'm loving it because I never know where to put my water bottle. This is awesome. Thank you, Ipsy. Thank you very much. That's very nice. Merry Christmas to you too. I hope it's not our exit present. Sometimes I worry that I'm not gonna like be in the program anymore. I really enjoy doing it, you know. You may be able to get that over there. I mean, you know, Ipsy has a lot of different stuff on their site. This is the TYS Beauty Final Treat Hyaluronic Acid Infused Setting Spray. Here's the packaging, okay? Trying to hide those icky nails. All right, so there you have it. And then it just says vegan and non-GMO. That's cool. Paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, alcohol, and oil-free. Okay, I'm loving that. A treat for the skin that weightlessly sets makeup all day and visibly minimizes the appearance of pores, resulting in a refreshed and hydrated finish. Okay, I am loving that. But this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. It's very sleek. It shakes up. Oh, can you see that? Very nice. Oh, and it's very fine. Okay, I like that. I like that. Awesome. I'm excited for this. I like anything with hyaluronic acid. The more, the better hyaluronic acid. Thank you very much. And then we have, what's this? We have Lucky Chick Lip Scrub. I was just about to say, my lips are so very chapped. They are bad, guys. Like, and I have a bad habit of like biting them where they're chapped. I need to do like a really hydrating like mask, you know, like you put on your face, like one of those, and just glob a whole bunch of hyaluronic acid on there and then put the mask over it and just let it like an hour. I don't know. This is the packaging right here. Oh God, these nails, I'm so sorry guys. I don't know how to hold it. So there it is right there, okay? Just says enriched with jojoba oil and vitamin E. Here's what it looks like. There's the top. There's something else in there. It's some kind of like one of the ingredients. I can smell it. But there you go. And you can see like, see the bubbly right there? The scrubby. So that's cool. I will use that. Maybe like I'll pop a little clip in that video when I'm using all the other products. And I will come back and do like a final review. Now I said I was going to do that with this video, but I got this early and I wasn't prepared. So that is my fault. I will stick a little short in here calling my standout products for November, okay? This is Flawless Bakuchiol Treatment for Cytinol and Ginger Root Green Tea, Vitamin B5. There you have it, there you have it. Oh, that packaging is very reflective. I'm assuming that it has a safety seal. Yes, it does, okay? It's like a plastic tube and it didn't come in a box. Sensitive Skin Photo Cream targets the look of fine lines, dullness, and photo aging. Okay. All right, cool. So I have sensitive skin, so that's what's up. And this is how much is, oh, let me tell you how big the spray was. It's 2.7 fluid ounces, and this has 1 ounce. Okay, so there you have that. All right, so the last product in the BoxyCharm by Ipsy is Ciate London Vitamin Boost Plumping Primer. I like primers, and I like plumping. Yes, we like this. We like this. Niacinamide and peptide. Give me all them peptides to help reduce the appearance of fine lines. Okay, so probiotic to help maintain dermal skin barrier function. I couldn't see it. Oh, look at that writing. Oh my goodness, you have to like tip it. 1.01 ounce, all right? So there you have it. Okay, that's what it looks like now. I'm assuming it's a little pumpy guy. There it is, okay? It says shake well before use. Reduces the appearance of fine lines and reveal plumper looking skin with Ciate London's Vitamin Boost. Now, if this has vitamin E, I will not be able to use it because vitamin E makes me break out terribly. I know, one of the most hydrating things for your face, and I can't use it. That and coconut oil. I don't see anything in there. Comment down below. It says have vitamin E. I don't see it, but it's super tiny. Your girls are going to get like a magnifying glass. I need to buy one of them. I really do. That is the fifth item. So we have the plumping primer. We have the lip scrub. We have the setting spray. We have the REM eyeshadow palette. And then we have the Derm Select. I do like this brand on a general. I think they had a couple serums that I liked. One was really good, but it stunk to high heaven. If Yvette's watching, she'll know what I'm talking about. Comment down below, what is that one, Yvette? I think I have still one around here somewhere, but anyway, that is the 5 items. Okay, let me move on to the glam bag. The glam bag is $15.79. Guys, let me know if you want me to do a battle. Okay. Let me know if you want to do a battle of the Macy's box versus the Ipsy bag, because they're exactly the same price, 100%, at least in my state. Sale starts 1/8. That is the next Mega Drop shop. Okay, so you want to know that? Now, we have the bag. I love pink and green and purple and green. I do, but yeah, I don't know. It's very different. It's very different. The jury's out on the bag, guys. I don't know if I like it or not. I guess I'd have to like keep on looking at it for a while. This will contain 5 deluxe, mini, deluxe sample, travel size, full size, and mix and match of all. Going off your profile. Did I miss something? Yes, I sure did. There's a question here. So we'll do that. First thing is the brush. I do have a brush from this brand though that I use in all the looks. It's almost like the Morphe 506, and that is very good for blending. It's around here somewhere. This is the dome blending. I would like fluff out my shimmers. It passes the bristle test. So there you have it. There's what it looks like, and it's kind of thin. Brushes you can use for whatever. So we'll incorporate that in the look. So you would never hear me say no to a brush. So this is Shayna B, and this is Shades by Shan, okay? So this is an eyeliner. It is a gel eyeliner in the shade Sweet Caramel. Okay, so there you have it. There it is right there. It's like a, this light is killer. It's a gel liner, so we will try that out as well. Then we have a Hava Extreme Radiance Lifting Mask. Now, I have to be very careful with the Hava products because I used one of their like moisturizers and I immediately had a reaction. My face had red bumps everywhere and it was so itchy for like 3 days and those bumps didn't go away. So I had to be really, really careful. That is why I say a lot of times with Dead Sea minerals, I'm very careful with them. This is firming, 15 mils or 0.51 fluid ounces. So it's enough to try. And it is filled up to here. Okay, I can see it. So, Jesus. Yep, Chris in the video. Okay. Anyway, there you have it, okay, with one nail on and one nail there. How about that? That's a little better. Extra Radiance Lifting Mask, so I will definitely try that. Now, we have 2 more things. This is Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. Oh, I can't read that. I'm going to hold it up. Hopefully, you guys will be able to read it. I'm going to like block my face. Let's see if it focuses. All right. Hopefully you can get that. Now, I do believe this is the one that has the physical one, like you can feel it. Okay. So I have to be really careful, like the Kate Somerville. They're very good, but I would not recommend going hard in there, but we will try it. And then the last thing is a little bubble wrappy thing. So that's what, okay, what's going on in there? Oh, no way. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, listen. All right, the reason I'm so excited is because I just got 2 eyeshadow palettes and I was considering getting a bundle so that I could perhaps do a giveaway. And I still may do that because I haven't tried them yet. Okay, I'm so excited. This brand is one of the brands that I have in those palettes, guys, that I have not touched. They're still in the bubble wrap, not even open, because I'm about to do a reel with them before I even touch them, okay? So, this brand is there, and I'm excited, and they just launched another palette, and I want it, I figured, well, if I'm over there getting that, then I could go ahead and get one for you guys. And I know I'm talking fast, but I'm so excited, and that's why, because I think it would be a really good color story for everyone. Like, nobody's going to say no to this, you know what I mean? Because it's a very good all-around color story. And it's a very good formula, and it looks so pretty. That is What's Up Beauty. Oh my gosh. They're very, very good, and they are a smaller indie brand, independently owned. So there you have it. It says, the packaging, I don't know if you can see. So it's What's Up Beauty. Oh, I'm so excited. This is awesome. So hey guys, the random comment picker has spoken. This is the winner to the Trendmood giveaway. This person has 48 hours to get a hold of me. Now guys, hang on. If you didn't win, do not get discouraged, because you know why? There are so many giveaways going and coming. It's crazy, I know, but it is the holidays, and you know how I am around the holidays. It's my way of saying thank you. So, again, 48 hours to get a hold of me. Congratulations, and now back to the video. It says Plumor Eyeshadow Duo, talc-free, clean, cruelty-free, vegan. What'sUpBeauty.com. If you guys don't know who they are, I'm going to link them down below in this video. You have to go check them out because you guys are going to see. You're going to see. And I'm trying my hardest to get their very new release. I had it in my cart and I was like, it's either that or an advent calendar. You know, my money has to like, yeah. Anyway, hopefully I can get it. It won't sell out before the end of the year because I do want their third. They have 2 eyeshadow palettes and they just came out with a third. But this is very pretty. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Ipsy, for putting a brand in the box. There it is. Look at that. at the look right there. It's amazing. So you have this like pinky kind of brown. Oh, is that a jewel chrome? Okay, so you don't have a mirror in there, but yes, it's got a blue sparkle to it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. You can't see it. I would have to swatch it, but I'm gonna do it in a look. So we're gonna add this with the other eyeshadow palette because that is what I like right there. Thank you. And wait till you see this formula, guys. You're going to be amazed. Anyway, that is the 15th. This, I'm more excited for anything. In fact, that's just my preference. You know, that doesn't mean that these are not by any means good products. They all look to be very interesting, and we're going to see because I will come back with another video. So let's go ahead and recap. We have the duo from What's Up Beauty. Congratulations to What's Up Beauty. That's awesome. You guys are in the bag. Okay, yes. And then we have the Dr. Brandt. We have the microdermabrasions. We have the Ahava firming mask. We have a gel liner, okay, from Shades by Shan. And then we have Shayna B, a dome blending brush. So, okay, that is my Creator Incubator Program for December 2023, guys. Now, somewhere here I would have called the winner. Congratulations to the Trendmood. You have 48 hours to get a hold of me. Guys, stay tuned. There's so much coming. Now, what I will do with these products, now that I've gone over them with you, I can sit down and just start using them. So we will open up that video with me saying, hey guys, I'm about to do a look. You can see these products in action, okay? Hopefully that'll give you a little extra time now so that you could maybe decide. You can see what's coming. I'm going to do my best to get this up lickety split. Again, congratulations to my winner for the Trendmood box. I knew I had to pick the winner, guys. It wasn't that I forgot or anything. It was just like, where can I put it, you know? Now, guys, remember, look out for some Reels. Look out for some TikToks. Look out for some YouTube shorts because your girl has been doing that. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I always love to hear everything you have to say. If you have them, let me know. Do you like them? How do they work? That kind of thing. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up if you have not already. And subscribe if you have not already. Please, come on board. We have fun here. I'm crazy, I'm quirky, and I like to learn. You can be yourself here. Nobody's going to judge you. Absolutely not. We are getting to 1,500. Remember, I have a 3-winner giveaway when we do hit that number. And it's a very good giveaway. Well, listen, mental health check-ins, the holidays. We can sail through the holidays, but then when the holidays are over, it's kind of like the excitement just stops. So that really hurt. So be very, very mindful of that. Also, seasonal depression is a very real thing. I know I suffer from it. I need to stay one step ahead of it. And if you notice anything, or if you're feeling out of kilter or off your square, so to speak, please bring it up with a loved one, a counselor, a friend. Or if you don't have anybody else to speak to, please hit me up. I will absolutely make time for you. And in this crazy mixed up world, guys, remember, to all my loved ones all across the globe, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya. And in this crazy mixed up world, guys, please remember, to all my loved ones all across, can your girl talk now?